Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn soil detecting and formula fertilization. First of all, let's look at the concept of soil detecting and formula fertilization technology. Soil detecting and formula fertilization is a comprehensive and scientific fertilization technology which puts forward the appropriate dosage and proportion of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and medium, and small fertilizer, and the corresponding fertilization technology under the condition of organic fertilizer. Based on the law of crop fertilizer demand, soil fertilizer supply performance, and fertilizer effect. It includes three procedures: soil detecting, formulation, and fertilization. Let's look at the effects of soil detecting and formula fertilization. 1. Increase production and income with obvious benefits. 2. Fertilize the soil and protect the ecology. 3. Coordinate nutrients to improve quality. 4. Regulate nutrition to prevent and control diseases. 5. Reasonable distribution of limited fertilizer sources. Next, let's learn the basic approach of formula fertilization. In this lesson, we mainly master the formula calculation of nutrient balance method. That is, the amount of fertilizer applied to achieve the target yield is calculated according to the difference between the amount of fertilizer needed by the crop and the amount of soil supplied. Soil fertilizer supply is calculated by soil nutrient measurement. To apply the nutrient balance method, the following parameters must be obtained. Let's learn them together. First parameter, target crop yield. It usually targets a yield increase of 10 to 15% based on the average yield of the previous 3 years of local crops. That is, the target yield is equal to 1 plus growth rate times the average yield of the previous 3 years. Second parameter, the amount of nutrients required for the target yield of the crop. Let's look at the formula for it. Note that the amount of nutrients required to produce 100 kilograms is the amount of nutrients that the plant must absorb to produce 100 kilograms of plant product. It can be obtained by chemical analysis of whole plant nutrients in normal plants. Third parameter, soil fertilizer supply. It refers to the nutrients that a crop takes from the soil during its growing season. Nutrient balance method is generally calculated using soil nutrient measurements. Soil nutrient measurement is a relative quantity. Not all soil nutrients are absorbed by plants, and the slow available nutrients are constantly transformed. Therefore, it is necessary to calculate the correction coefficient related to the soil nutrient measurement value and the yield in the field experiment. And after correction, it can be used as the supply of soil nutrients to add or subtract the uptake and nutrient components of plants. Therefore, the amount of soil fertilizer supplied is equal to the soil nutrient determination value, multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by the correction factor value. 2.5 in the formula is the conversion factor. That is, 1 milligram per kilogram of nutrients is converted into the actual mass of 1 hectometer square of soil nutrients. The correction factor is the ratio of the actual uptake and nutrient content of plants to the measured soil nutrient value. It is often obtained from field experiment. The correction coefficient can be obtained as fourth parameter, fertilizer utilization rate. It refers to percentage of total fertilizer nutrients absorbed by the crop in the current season from the applied fertilizer. The calculation formula is: after the above parameters are obtained, they can be taken into the calculation of fertilizer application. The amount of fertilizer is equal to the total amount of nutrients required for the target yield, minus the measured soil nutrients multiplied by 2.25, multiplied by correction line. and then divided by the product of the nutrient content of the fertilizer and the seasonal utilization of the fertilizer. The basic implementation steps of soil detecting and formula fertilization technology are 5 core links and 11 key contents. The 5 core links are soil testing, formula, fertilizer distribution, supply, and fertilization guidance. The 11 contents are field investigation, field testing, soil testing, formula design, calibration testing, formulation processing, demonstration promotion, propaganda and training, database construction, effect evaluation, technology innovation. Okay, students, in this class we learned the principle, function, method, and implementation steps of soil detecting formula fertilization. The most important is the calculation of fertilizer application by nutrient balance method. We can vigorously promote soil testing and formula fertilization technology in agricultural production practice so as to help green agricultural development and promote ecological civilization construction.